Efri juada kopim ni fiada. Anope se ya e wo Badwam on Adom TV so. Ye de buoni ni die ene ye ka ya adwen. Ka Ghana fo adwen. Ne Ghana fo adwen ho. Na mpanfo so de sutie atie tu ho na mo medi de akosisia. Asem de kabrena asu happy birthday and confirma obaya. Ona ye chairperson ma NPP amoyoko in the USA. When you're 50 years, but you don't look like Obia when you're 50. Oba happy birthday. We free NPP, Amayuko ye wo the United States of America. More especially NPP General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kojia. Also wish you all the best. Nyamisha no nyoke se. But happy birthday to Nana Jan Asante, 45 years. And Nyanenra, belated happy birthday, Enko and Famau. Alpembon no ma hine kwabra sante na beja for to asmame fanko daily graphic na menchiro assembly amampenda da John Dramani Mahama aka ba ye ko graphic na memfa moni yo kese nkoma owura Ibrahim Mahama one Magdan any Adam Penifua aye donation towards the union mo Akosombo dams play akofa ohaw e de abrom and Ibrahim Mahama de ndie edutwam kura opani wo yema no ye fe Ghana for da wase or to the bina se bigina na me kasa yem building Ghanaian businessmen amam for ntiase these are the kind of men who see a build wo yememu enye NPP NDC Asem ena ni nwa na man ye it was NPP by yeguno ena kufa na man ye it was saying this be kwan bia na ye crepe ni business ye crepe ya kase ho ene mo de akọ so far penifo bu nkunta kire mu a obi no this ane mana kobi and these are the kind of men who say ye tawo mo chi pia omo Ibrahim Mahama oni Mrs Mahama nyame hira mo ba bia mu yi mo afie bia kobo amafo obia nyame hira mo nam obia so a wabo ye nwere bia so nyame hira mo ye pa ekaka opani Magdan eso ni wadwumaku. Daily graphic declare state of emergency in flooded areas. John Dramani Mahama 18th October afi. I had a more challenge. Kasi pa was Asem. Cause to be honest, minim baby ya bedru. Ewo Akosombo dams village who went to say and manim ya buying a declare state of emergency. Minim baby ya bedru. Yes, e bi mujina. Article 31 so I think 9A and B especially B and nekasana abine declare state of emergency abine declare ana ide ene mam na ide see e kasai aban kan ba bia se ahuyehia na ye nnuanum ekom e wo framantemu e wo blumantemu e wo apuemantemu e wo nkramantemu no ontimi nsa no. In fact 15th November say bia to na akwa mu yia and ura kenofrata eko parliament and Ghana banko masika for 2024 kotuga ye nyakure musika ban ebe voti for sa ohawa bay je declare state of emergency already abai declared say and she odi gu akomodi abo amanfo a akosa unyenye mu and now the World Bank $40 million you see from Asem minister said there be amanfo eti from antene miaudu a Akosombo dams play e hom no dodo na ye kuafo ye mfini nyina komo omo nye sympathetica voter revolt first was 20 million Ghana cedis e de ato efa ne adru ana to be pacho enye no koreda esi declare state of emergency a na wona wa amono ne e ba Ghana mwa enye no kore Ghana no obi ankwa apamo yes say ye kwa oyeyin wa chinchinanchi u obi oni bi so mbo aye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eko Sierra Leone in 2017 eko presented about $1 million worth of goods and the mom oyeyin omuko no mun declare state of emergency. I'm sure they will start from online. Shadio TV ni so. Bawumia has over $1 million relief items to Sierra Leone. Check it out, you know. August 20th, 2017. After Sierra Leone, at Rencham Bois on website and Kasashadi Onum. check it Sierra Leone me say check ba me date no August 20th 2017 na fe hwe Adom manfamra website we Sierra Leone announces year-long state of emergency despite no confirmed coronavirus any ade landslide nearby no me ba check it date ni say 25th about 2-5 days difference and sana omu declare se Ghana this year kwa yeyem na so man be say Sierra Leone person be boa Ghana won yes Ghana aban be declare state of emergency ansa I said that you will corporate Ghana you makasa so active vote your mo e be na maka kire we engineers and planners Magdan multimedia media general City TV City FM obiye supporting obiye na famu de e de aboa because ye ka pa de akada no say declare state of emergency e ma no ne fo be boa Ghana e June 3, 2015 Ghana losing over 200 people nipa over 200 Sierra Leone say nipa about 438 and the free mu Ghana losing 200 and now I'm say wo nam sa trenche mu edi dem e bi kura compensation maye but that time you declare state of emergency na aban fisi ya ho boaboa ne ya ho yenya no eso se betimi aso amanfo mu because Ghana for akasa in general e ya doye man yen twa ya ban budget ya eba omo yes yen declare state of emergency na aban ahoboa enso no why na so watena say ye calculation me ehunu e ka aban bebo to revive communities na ye affected no why na so yes calculation say yes say yen declare ne kwa o yen declare ne kwa and I don't want to believe say empenophobia e qualify for that no and person be amanyo semuntia me person ma ji wona di ye fa asem ne say na asem ne tibia no ene ye bia no ete yesi ye beka che Ghana ban say ya dihye na akwa ho ye hia mu eno me tie nkomo ba ko bia na ye nwen wo fra mantam edi se omo nyini se the blame games ene ye ka che se mo mfiri wo ene mo amfiri wo no ene ye ka se mo nyo na ma anye no ene be boa no mo hia se ye moa that is what they need ene o se Ghana for dey adwe koso no be bia o kakra bi obetimi ya support obia no ye fa moa wo mo se state of emergency they declare keka me say 2015 Ghana ni che 200 wa ka bia nshem wa anya boni o obi ko no koto fam wo keke obi so pon ya wo ko adu oba fie obi so frifie ya wo ko adwuma nipa over 200 ewuye me say up to now amanfo a in June 10 2015 atrenchem no ebe pem ne ebi kura ntimi nya adwuma biem emo sa ban de bo mo kura no enkoye enye de bia na se bi etimi aso ayokuru wade akosi abonten se ye gilala sulala ye capable ye ntaya ban achi ye support ya ban no ye nyono se bi akosa ho ye hie mu no se bi omunko mu se o ma ye boni bia na mo makosa ho ye hie nim atorechem na aba ye nyi amanyo sam ne famfrim ni deal with the issue e bi na me ka to say the way ye che niema e wo bia ye asa atorechem asi o china be sa ba be ka to say amanfo ati support be kom do mo because ye che niema ni ye ni one central point ye de che niema eti MPC chebi not more chebi ayinfo chebi individuals kwa no so ekotwo mo akasa so de se untimi hu nipa ya ma ne mo boto baako anam yenu ba obia so bo obia be chibi esi yensuye bibia yensuye bi fafiri apiate enne ensuo menom eden ba asem ni si ye no no mo de pure water eni gare apiate enne ensuo menom po eden because ba ne ye fomlesa ye nyina ye nyintumi ye hye ne me ye betimi aboa ye nwen akwa ho ye hiem aban so nya na afamu de enkoso fanta omochi how are we going to revive the affected communities? Any some for anymore. Because here can say, via the fortune say, ye nim da spillage no a tobecha. Only so mu slow down kakra. Na empire bako ye krum ye say, and so brantam kesebin santo e man sam pejabiem. Ye sum kakra sa. That's a relocation no. So krone searching for ya say nyina kama na bia konenim. Ye no Turkey earthquake no, ye declare state of emergency. Ye no. Me nyini sa abanso akan ba bia say ontimi so ne abanimu. E na Ghana fonso kan say ya brene mwa ye de bo ye nwan mu a akosa ho ye hie no. Amanyo sem no, NDC ne MPP no. Enye magdi kaka to efiri 92 be sinne. Sie wa ho ye hie bia ekomu a e chirinye e na oso no e na de akom. Oman kwabla santi atra so na pamfo. Oman boko de.
Onya nyame adom bibia e boko. Say de wasi aka no. Ye behwe na ye nuano mo aka eye asuja saa na meka na ya say ye bitima mo da brem ne o mo hyebre timi asesa na o ma back to a normal life. Now no that say declare state of emergency. Because there is absolutely nothing wrong with declaring it today. But say the wow can be a new sample so say be declare. Inti ebeja no akonkon ho. Na yasre ya ho say senke bitumi a empendo do na no. Ya mo ya ho wie. We shouldn't continuously paint a picture as if say we are the worst thing that ever happened in the world. Yeah, so encourage you because we can do it ourselves. Yeah. Na yem boy, we that's it. Honorable PKC a Kwame Usudi na oda. Kwame Boating rather. Kwame Boating. Anafi a John Bodu. Adwin Kese.
Yeah. Former General Secretary.
Yeah, Usudi na oda. Tiebesia. Na social achumwa.
Yaw. Okay. Na minya. Tioma so why?
But just only social achumwa.
Chumberema.
Okay.
So on I will send someone no now.
Only in Yadri.
Oh my. I mean, how?
Okay, Chiwaju and Semiako.
Meaning to me, Yadrin the beer.
Oh, they were him.
So was say, and I am mining can say, yet me, one has to be a young went me society. Ah, quarter 2001 state of measures were declared that one.
Okay.
You can't say young word me and declared.
Okay. It's all
okay. There are other relevance or importance and this state of emergency.
Okay.
Okay. But protecting the vulnerable population. Oh my dear, so me and call, but one more call on back.
We came for you crack.
What's what I say? Me was no pick a compliment and the dear subscribe as I want to walk around and be a call. So a bit a answer a bit the was for acting. Yes. But maybe say important because pictures be who and as a videos be who ya will be dying. In one man and one and
lentil, no, it's not lentil, no,
what I say? Automatically said, then it is saying, enjoy you that battery input via Bumbakas over winning. You know that's only number Chanko, I because in the Jaco. The same person is enjoying a book like Sana Anopa. Meaning I to come and say, once as a second Zadaho, a book Chanapa. Sad dying, anybody matter
and possible.
Correct. So when you do this, it will help you rather to put things rather in place.
Correct.
So what is the relevance of declaring say we should declare a state of emergency to do what?
You give more attention to the situation.
Already, no, I'm telling you, sir, issues of this flooding, it happens all the time. Maybe at this time, no, because of be for but the attention that this incident has gotten, I think the state has responded in equal measure.
State in the
individuals.
State in the balcony.
Are they?
The state in the balcony. Yeah. So long the worker.
No, minister there. What he has more kind?
That's a headline.
No, sometimes. When the minister says that we have arrived here as a result of a certain rule as citizens.
Yes.
But we can't take that away.
Order. Or say you ignored all warnings and now see what has happened.
I will not go by this.
Okay.
I will not go by this. You're too provocative and very offensive. I will not go by this. I will not go by this.
So.
Yeah, because I'm basically too. I say because I'm for come out.
Exactly.
No. I'm telling you, no, please.
We are not politicizing.
We are not politicizing.
I'm telling you. Hold on.
People are engaging in politics.
we
Okay,
are not saying we are not politicizing anything. The Americans say if this was really the statement, as you really indicated, this is provoking. It is provoking.
Have you heard from her? Have you read this?
It's wrong. You can't say this.
Minister no. Ewo Adom FM baby ana me di party and say ye nyina nkra mu. It could be true that ye contribute to where we find ourselves now. And correct. Do you hear the be amani obi kasa wo? Me say enya fe ne be blame game.
Correct.
Ye nhwe say sa union at union no. And certain we will get a solution to the problem. But you say, what up, Musa not move and I said, we are for them. Say, but be no musician, but something because they work with the metro service. Okay, a quarter this. Correct. It's okay. So one year, anybody be if that's what you really said, you are wrong. Because you are wrong because even the people to support you, even the VRA said that the good thing is that. Nipa enwe which means that hallelujah omutie sa when we action do don ankose me danger that be I tell you obi akran free nsam which is I mean the utmost because why be so one kwana wade me but ukase woman kwa adan to go to concern dan so we agree that in crime we I mean state of emergency na ibodi na as e mana as ade hu bi a go ye ya na as e busy da e bi esi kroma pen okay, a BS come up and it's about 2003. Go and check that one. You declare me. I said that. Oh,
but that one, why do you compare that one to?
Was it not declared?
It was, but how do you? I
mean, the government were killing themselves. Okay, so hold on.
A whole hold on.
Hold on. Are you saying that time the government didn't me into declare?
Oh, my brother.
I mean, that argument.
But lawyer Patron, how do you say compare?
Far-fetched. Don't do that.
I was saying someone say, I'm buying castle with me. Why
no.
How would you do that?
State of emergency. There's so many reasons why we do that declaration.
I know them.
It does not necessarily mean that.
Exactly.
I'm buying correct. So
that's why I said I disagree with me.
No problem. But I'm saying that you're measured even in our comparison.
That's the point.
Because they will raise the SABA or no to say insurance Jebi Etrifa Ghana for Magana for Extra Madisha. And no crown that declaration. June, yeah. Or you said we didn't declare a state of emergency. Correct. Or no, I want to drink it. Yeah. But I also want it is the can say, Nini Muno, ye perceive solution to the situation. To the problem. We are. You should the free muse. Wow, tis a low lying areas. Na ya ka kusi da one. Me makase. 2010 I deal with SABC. Yeah. Near Okrum here, near Bob. Yeah. All right. And we shall poly do me and someone near. And the BS seen there. But you and I know very well, sir. Anybody don't know what 2010. I don't know what 2010 and then know what 2013. Sorry, 2023 was 30 years in the know. Ados. Yeah. And automatically the effect will be more gross than what we saw or we might have seen in 2010. Yeah. All right. And then the SNA and the United King. Yeah, we say you put up measures after the Carlos occasions. Exactly. That MIM 2025, 2020. Exactly. That's my point. Okay. So I will not make it tribal or whatever. I mean, I don't believe in that kind of argument. Oh. My interest is that Asem but if you say from come madam and then but when you pen them the again and bia omo akọ on kind of rose in put your mind it is well that even I'm telling you that even that you don't even have to be there. I'm saying Yankasa Adom TV. Now father na say so afa akọ and no via papa tia dem you see the man here where's the can say most of the people used to hit him. So what has happened is that there's a pop chairman of Pema. Afra system.
Oh, but na some no betra be ka say esie nyina wo.
Afra system no.
Esie nyina wo, manfo sie wo. E di nsu yi esie. Ade na esi.
Ade via for kwa no hwa. Na yam hihie pa yesa.
Sanitation issues.
And no more provide them that institution so
and I make an example me say kasabre ni bra say ka onuado vansi kanam ba bia service na ye do ma kwatratra no
wo ho
I was say ka wo ho say na egukwalebu a pro
onuado vansi say de hwe ni nkwa na lawyer chu onuado vansi ye de hwe ni president go tell me go hwe ni kaka wo ye go break up